Hey guys, Tony here. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, maybe like, well, not a while, it's been like a day or so, right? But again, just super busy at work, man. I've been super busy, and throughout the day, I mean, I can't really just kind of pick up my phone and you know, start recording and stuff, right? But I mean, I'll show you guys what I did today. Today, I actually purchased three 24.5 puts for space. I do think we're gonna see a drop all the way down to 23 bucks as of right now. I'm probably gonna be holding up until we do see that drop to 23. I might sell earlier. I might sell tomorrow at open, to be honest. I'm trying to kind of gauge the momentum of this. I'm looking for maybe about a 20 to 30% return on this option. And if I do get that tomorrow at open, I'm probably just gonna sell right away. So just wanted to update you guys on space. I do think as of right now, we are gonna see a drop all the way down to 23 bucks. This big ass candle right here, I mean, I'll probably do a TA on it a little bit later. I'm about to go run, so I'll probably do a TA while I'm outside. But yeah, I do think it's gonna keep dropping. I'll look at TA a little bit later and I'll upload another video. But for right now, just updating you guys. Today I actually did buy, you know, a 1218 put 24.5 for space.